Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we are doing a Selfridges haul. Hubby gave me some Christmas money, so I thought I'd treat myself to the Selfridges sales, which I placed the order just before the new year. It was just after Boxing Day and the new year, and they arrived on the 2nd of January. So they arrived on Saturday and I managed to get my hands on them. And yes, we've got a bit bougie, but I just thought I'd treat myself because hey, there's a couple of things that I've been dying to try and they are really expensive, but I managed to get some of them in the sale. So yeah, if you want to know what I got my hands on from Selfridges in my little sack here, then keep on watching, give this a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And let's get into the video. Oh, and get your cuppa as well. Okay, so I decided to treat myself over on Selfridges. They were having, I think it was up to 50% off, and the memory card was full again. I really need to get that fixed. I found another one the other day, so I need to just rummage through and hopefully get them all emptied so that I can fill them up with all the exciting stuff that's coming. So yeah, I decided to treat myself on Selfridges website just a little bit too much. I didn't realise. I actually think I had a couple of glasses of wine at the time that I'd ordered these, so it's things that I would have held back if I wasn't under the influence of alcohol. But unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, I got them, you know, done now. They're in my hand. So yeah, I'm going to show you now, and I'll put all the prices of what I got them for on the screen as well as I share them, so you guys can go check it out and see if there's anything still in the sale. I don't know, I haven't been on the website to see. I'm trying to do like a dry January, but then there's a few things that I've had my eye on, and does Klarna count because they get actually paid in February? So does that mean that I haven't bought anything in January? Let me know down below. So yeah, okay, so first up I went for the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice eyeshadow palette. It's a limited edition warm and spicy eyeshadow palette, and I think got it for £24. Let's just double check. Okay, so I got this for £26.50, so that's what it looks like. I just love the smells. So that is the Too Faced palette. These colours here are absolutely gorgeous, don't you think? We've got some bright ones there as well. That pink looks stunning, but I'm loving this pink over here. So yeah, this is capture all the sexy fall feels with our Too Cute Pumpkin Spice eyeshadow palette, baked with 18 scented warm and spicy shades that wrap you in the cozy sexy warmth of the season. Well, we're in like winter now, so they smell gorgeous. But yeah, so that was £26.50, and this is the Too Faced. Let me know if you want me to do a review on this. I'll be happy to do a review. I've quite a bit of Too Faced products now. I think I've even got the foundation somewhere which I need to do a review on, so let me know if you want to see, because I've got quite a few new foundations I think you guys are gonna love. Yes, they're a bit on the high end side of the spectrum when it comes to beauty products, but we're here to test out everything, aren't we? Anyway, so that is the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. Then next up we have the Natasha Denona Face Glow foundation, and I got this in the shade 50 medium warm, so hopefully it isn't too dark, but that's what that looks like. So I really liked it because I'm really into my CC creams, and I'm wearing the It Cosmetics CC cream, and I really like how it feels on my skin, and then I just feel like it just makes it nice and soft and smooth. And yeah, so I've gone to try the Natasha Denona foundation. Like I said, I've got quite a few, so if you want me to do like a little foundation series where I test out all these little foundations for you guys, then let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be happy to sort something out with that. And this was £36, and it was reduced from something as well, but I can't remember what it was. But yeah, that is the Natasha Denona foundation. Okay, next up I went and got my hands on the Farsali drops. I think I've got all of them because we're like reduced from something stupid to £14, you know, and I think that's quite expensive for these little bottles. But anyway, it was just a way to try them all out and see which ones. They look so cool, don't they? So I got the Liquid Glass, which is a radiant serum with hyaluronic acid, and it looks like this. So all these were £14. That's what that one looks like. Okay, then I went for the Unicorn Essence. So it's a skin enhancing antioxidant serum. Gonna give you a nice little unicorn glow as well, is it? So that's that one there. Then I went for the Skin Tune Blur, so Perfecting Primer Serum. So this looks like a good one. I might give this a try under my next foundation just to see if it does what it says on the tin. Like I said, these were £14 and I think they're like over 30-40 pounds, I'm sure they are. So these are the 10ml ones. So yeah. And then the last one is the Rose Gold Exila 24 Gold Infused Beauty Oil. And that's what that one looks like. So they are really cute actually, quite cute. I might leave them on the side there so they're nice and dressy too. Okay, that's what I got. And then next up, I just went a bit crazy with the lipstick. But yeah, you guys are going to love these lipsticks. So I went in, I just absolutely, can I just say, this is a really bougie brand, but I just have had my eye on it for such a long time, but it's just so expensive. I would absolutely love one of the eyeshadow palettes. So the next brand is the Pat McGrath Labs lipstick. Just look at the packaging, it's absolutely stunning. So to open this, you just have to unravel, and this was the matte trance lipstick and this was £24. So you just undo it like that, open it up. Oh, it's just gorgeous. That's what you get. Stunning or what? Okay. And then that is the shade. I actually don't want to use it. It's just so cute, but I will. So yeah, if you want me to do a Pat McGrath look, then I will do that. I have got my eye on the eyeshadow palette, but we'll see. So that's that lipstick. And then we've got another lipstick, and this is the Matte Trance in the shade Amour. And this was £24.50 as well. That gorgeous, aren't they? This one's got a heart on it, and then it's like a pinky nude, which is really nice, and it's matte as well. Then we have another one. Yes, I know, I went a bit crazy, but hey. And this is in soft core, and then this one's in the black packaging with the gold lips as well, and that's a nice pinky shade too. I like that. Okay, and these are all matte. 10 out of 10 for the packaging. I absolutely love it. I think it's gorgeous. Just look at it. It's just so, it is like luxury, isn't it? Like, just absolutely stunning. It does scream luxury. It's probably what you pay for, really. It's the name, the brand, isn't it, more than anything else? Okay, and then we have Pat McGrath lip gloss, and this is £17.50, and it's in the shade Belladonna. I like the name. And then that's what that looks like. It's very plain, and it's just got the logo, Pat McGrath logo there, which is really cool. It smells delicious too. That smells really nice. Okay, and again, packaging is really cool. Next up, I went in with the Pat McGrath foundation. Now it was £60. Yeah, this is going for £60, and I got it for £42 on the Selfridges website. So it's a Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection foundation. Honestly, I've had my eye on this for such a long time, and £60, I mean, who can really justify £42? But it was in the sale. It was a Christmas gift, so I went for that, and I got it in the light medium shade 12, so I'm hoping that this works. And then I went for the concealer, and this was £26, and I got it in the shade LM9, so it's light medium number 9. That is what the concealer looks like. Got Pat McGrath there. Very strong smell. Glass. The packaging is actually glass. Okay. Oh, that's nice. That goes onto a nice, that's really nice. Oh, that's gonna definitely get rid of some imperfections on the skin. That's really soft. It's got a nice soft feel to it, velvety feel. Oh, I like that. So yeah, definitely worth it. We'll see. So as I said, if you want me to do a whole look using the Pat McGrath products, then let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be happy to do that. I'll be happy to do that, shall I say. And then we have some more lipstick, and so we've got this one called Kiss Kiss from Cologne Paris. I absolutely loved the packaging. I thought the packaging of this was really good. Just how cute is that? It's like a cute, like 3 blocks together with the gold embossed logo there, and just look at that pink, beautiful. And this was £14.50, and it's in the shade Excessive Rose. So you know me with my lipstick. Okay, the limited edition VIP NARS lipstick in the shade Anita, and this was £17. Look at that, gorgeous, isn't it? And that's what that looks like. Love that. Very similar colours to what I've already got, but Then we have a Giorgio Armani lipstick, and this is in the shade Veneza. This was £32. Just look at that. Stunning, isn't it? And it's a really nice light nude, which is definitely my colour, but I love the packaging as well. It's just so cute. Then last but not least, I have gone in for the NARS lipstick set, and it is the Lips Unlocked gift set, and this was £30. Ooh, okay. So it comes in this really cute little bag, makeup bag. I had a Kate Spade bag very similar to this. I'm sure it was Kate Spade. Yeah. And then you've got 3 lipsticks in here. So let's double check. So these are the minis, the mini ones. These are really handy to have in your handbag, aren't they? 3 NARS lipstick. And then we've got, oh, that's a nice shade. This is Orgasm, Satin Orgasm. That one looks like. Give it a little swatch. Very, it's like a lip gloss, more than a lipstick, I'd say. Then we have Toilette, which is that shade there. It's like a burnt, like a nudie orange, isn't it? It's got a bit of an orange tone to that. And then the third one is Pour Toujours. I like this one. Nice. And then you've got that one there as well. It's a nice one. I think I'm going to use. So yeah, that is what I got my hands on. Selfridges, you know, just before the new year. I hope you guys liked what you see. Let me know what your favourite product is. And yeah, if you want me to do any tutorials or any looks using any of the products that I bought, then let me know in the comments down below. I'm definitely going to do the Pat McGrath one. I'm actually excited to do that. And I'm also going to try out the pumpkin spice. Oh, I just put my finger in it. But it's got a good pigmentation to it anyway, hasn't it? That's a nice colour. Just put my hand in that one there. God, that's really nice. Okay, so yeah, if you want me to do a look using this, then I'll be happy to do that. And yeah, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you all tomorrow on another video on Beauty and the Kids. Bye.